Hello students. Today we are going to discuss the introduction of refrigeration and air conditioning. Okay, let's start. So normally basic refrigerator and air conditioning is nowadays becoming a need of every house. Okay, and technology is so advanced that these units are becoming affordable to a common person due to the cheaper in cost and availability, right? So refrigerator can be broadly categorized as food preservative like domestic type, comfort refrigerator, and big size industrial refrigerator. Okay, the comfort refrigerator also includes the domestic water coolers and air conditioner. Okay, so what is a refrigeration process? The basic refrigeration process is the removal of heat from an enclosed space or material and to maintain that space at a temperature much lower than the surrounding temperature. So as definition says, refrigeration is a process we have to remove the heat from the material or from the enclosed space and maintain the space lower temperature as compared to surrounding medium. Okay, this is the basic process of refrigeration. Okay, so important terms or terminology uh, which are related to refrigeration and air conditioning is given here. First is refrigeration. Okay, so what is the meaning of refrigeration? Under control condition, the heat from the substance is to be removed by a process called as refrigeration, as we earlier discussed. Okay, in this process, temperature is reduced and maintained below the surrounding temperature. Okay, this is called refrigeration or refrigeration process. Second terminology is refrigeration system. Okay, refrigeration system. It is the mechanism which is used for lowering the temperature in a body or in a space whose temperature is already below the temperature of its surrounding. Okay, so what is refrigeration system? In this system, one mechanism which is used for the refrigeration process is to control the heat on the body or enclosed space. Okay, as compared to surrounding medium, the temperature is below the temperature of surrounding medium. Next terminology is refrigerator. Okay, so what is the meaning of refrigerator? It is reserve heat engine or heat pump which takes out heat from a cold body and deliver it to the hot body. Okay, what is the meaning of refrigerator? Refrigerators is a one type of heat engine or one type of pump. Okay, in a fridge we can say it's a compressor which take heat from the cold body, okay, and deliver it to the hot body. Next important terminology is refrigerant. Okay, so it is a heat carrying medium. This absorb heat from cold body and deliver it to the hot body. Okay, so in refrigerator, uh, by uh, pump we take heat from the cold body and deliver to the hot body, but this is possible by refrigerant. Okay, refrigerant is a medium, is a heat carrying medium. This absorb heat from the cold body and delivers it to the hot body. Also we can say it is a working substance. The speciality of refrigerant is that it condenses and evaporates at temperature and pressure very close to the atmospheric condition. Okay, normal refrigerator are we can use the refrigerator as a one is ammonia, second one is carbon dioxide, third one is sulfur dioxide, and fourth one is R12 gas. Okay, so these are the refrigerant used for the cooling purpose. Next important terminology is air conditioning. Okay, uh, what is the meaning of air conditioning? This involved control of temperature, humidity and motion of air in enclosure. Okay, air conditioning, that means AC, which control the temperature, as we know the working, or the maybe we know that how AC works. Okay, uh, AC works, it's control the temperature in the room. Okay, humidity also and motion of the air. Uh, okay, so this is called the AC. Next important terminology is ton of refrigeration. Okay, uh, if we are going to purchase the AC, then they provide the AC in tons. Okay, 1 ton, 1.5 ton. So what is the meaning of ton of refrigeration? Okay, it is a practical unit of refrigeration and is defined as the amount of refrigeration effect produced by the uniform melting of the ton 1.000 kg of ice, okay, from 0 degree centigrade in 24 hours. Okay, so 1 ton, that means 1.00 kg ice from 0 degree centigrade to melting in 24 hours, which is called ton of refrigeration. Okay, so this all about the terminology and introduction of refrigeration process. Okay, uh, in next lecture we will discuss how or what are the types which is used for the refrigeration system. Okay, so hope you guys understand this lecture. Okay, meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.